You're looking at the time, right? You have lost a lot of time in your career by remaining stagnant, underpaid, underachieved, and undervalued. Think about it, about your career. If you are in that situation, right now is the time for you to take some actions which can actually take you out of this situation. Hi, my name is Rakesh Rana. I'm India's leading mid-career performance coach. Over the last 4 years, I have trained and transformed more than 30,000 mid-level professionals like you who are struggling with the stagnancy, who are being underpaid, underachieved, and undervalued. And they have learned the 3 strategic systems to differentiate in the market, create their influence, and also understand how they can actually ask for the premium positions in the senior management. If you are one of them, then click on the link below and join me in my next webinar, and I'll be sharing with you that strategic system. So don't wait for anything, jump in the link below and join me live. Click the link below and join my 2 hours masterclass, and I'll see you there.